Antonio Harm. I'm here with Mustard Graham. He video the video that we about to put out. We came up with a P0013, but we're gonna back up a little bit. The person that video is Mustard Graham. He's gonna do a video of me because we're gonna try to do business together. So I want y'all to represent us and put us out there.
What's your name, Tony?
My name is Antonio Harmon. My business name is Marquis Industries, LLC. My hobby is mechanics, so if you need any help, please go on YouTube or give me a call or just email me, harmonmarquis@gmail.com. On a exotic engine 2.4 coming out of Chevy Captiva 2013, 2.4 liter. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take off the breather. So I'm gonna screw these screws real quick. We're gonna knock this out real quick. So I'm gonna screw this one, the breather, take that off, pull this off. I know people want to take it off from here, but we're gonna just pull this hose off from right here. If you see the hose, where I got my screwdriver, this hose here. So all we do is just take it, wiggle it a little bit, and just pull it straight back. Lift it up, and then what I'm gonna do is come on this side. Take a picture of this thing. Right down here, there's another clip. We just unscrew this real quick. What I'm gonna do while he's doing that, put that in there and twist it a little bit. Got it off. So now we're gonna lift the breather up. It comes off here. All you do is just pull it up. So I set this out of the way real quick. What we're looking for is the cam sensor. This cam sensor is two of them. One for the intake cam sensor and one for the manifold cam sensor. So all we do is we're looking for the manifold cam sensor because it says P0013.
Where the manifold at, Tony?
Manifold in the back. You see this thing right here with the little thing coming off? That's the manifold. That's what's get real hot.
Manifold, okay. Get real hot.
Yeah, so what I do, I just pull the clip up a little bit. You ain't gotta really take it off. Just push it.
Tony.
Yeah, sometimes it be hard. Just pull it and pull it off. You see it's still on it, so you ain't really gotta take it off. So what's down here is a 10 millimeter bolt. Right down here in the center.
Okay.
But you see it's already clean.
Yeah.
So I'm cleaning up a little bit more. I'm just gonna get some air and blow the sand out of it so it don't fold out inside.
Okay.
Grab me the air hose. Put it up. Blow on. Yeah, this blower here, you put it in the water, clean your car. Whenever you want to clean, just feel good. Clean your car. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the sand out. If I had to get down into a hole, I could use this hand to stick it down there and blow it. That's all the dirt.
Oh, like a vacuum cleaner. Oh, shit.
So that's done. I'm gonna get me a 10 millimeter socket. I got a deep socket, so I'm gonna get an extension just to go along with it, so I can reach down there a little better. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull this one off. But before I pull this off, only thing I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna loosen up the bolt since I already got it on there.
Okay.
Then we're gonna check the cam sensor to see if it's bad or not. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get my little scanner here.
Yes, sir.
See, it's already on 1. And it's on ohms 200. So I'm gonna put it on ohms. And what I like about this, if you touch this, you hear the beat.
Yeah.
That's how you know it's current going through.
What that one mean right there, man?
The one is just something that's saying that it's at a 0. Or it's just 1, no matter what.
That's where it start at right there. Okay.
So you can change it. And this dot sign right here gonna switch over there.
Oh, okay.
So if I leave it right there and I touch these. But before I show you that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to the ohms.
Okay, we're at ohms now.
And I'm gonna go straight down here to the sensor, the cam sensor, and I'm gonna put negative on the right side and positive on the left side. And if you look back up top, you see where it still say 1?
Yeah.
So it never changed, so that means it's still open. So I'm touching it, it ain't doing nothing. Now if I touch the black and red together, see how it changes?
All right, so there's the problem.
Yeah, so the problem is right in here. So what I'm gonna do now, and what happened, I changed the motor out, and I test drove it, and I disconnected the battery for a minute, and the light, everything went off, and when I drove it, the light came back on. So as it sat here for about an hour, it finally wanted to come on at the last minute. So I'm glad I didn't call the customer up to come get it. So now I get a chance to take time out to really see what's going on. Let me turn this back on.
So this a new motor or old motor?
No, it's a used motor.
A used motor, yeah. Okay, yeah.
So what I'm gonna change the numbers on it to show you again. See, it's nothing coming up. But if I touch it, see where the dot at? It goes in the center.
Oh, right on. And
yeah.
Still on ohms, but at a higher value.
Yeah. And so that means that cam sensor is open.
Okay.
So, and another way, let's do it like this. I want to see something while I'm here.
If the cam sensor open, what that mean? Is good or bad or what?
The sensor bad.
The sensor bad if it's open.
Yeah.
Oh, so we need something connect for.
Yeah, we need something at a 0.7. Anything above 0.7 is good.
Okay, 0.7.
Yeah. So I'm gonna just test these to see what's going on.
Oh wow.
See how that changes?
Wow. Hey.
But let me put this back on. Because you probably have 2 of them. See, this one ain't doing nothing either. So I might want to change both of them at the same time. Hold up. Hold up. I'm
Listen to that baby there.
Oh, okay.
Check it out.
Yeah. See, that's the intact cam sensor. See how that number up?
Yeah.
Above 7. So that means that sensor there working. So what I'm gonna do is plug this one back up.
So what is that sensor?
That sensor there?
That's intake, you said?
Yeah. That's the intake. See the intake towards the front, the manifold towards the back. So the intake.
Intake front, manifold back.
So if you take both of them off, you don't know which one it goes on. Just try to push one down. And if it goes on, that's the one it's supposed to go on. So what I'm gonna do now to show you, same one that I take off, I'm gonna try to put it in the back, see if it works.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of times it is good to just take the clamp off, but so what I'm gonna do now is just push it on here. See how it won't go on?
Oh, okay.
So don't try to force it.
Right.
Just know that's not the right one. So now you just go back, push that one on, and now you know that that's the right one. See how it just go down on there?
Easy.
So since we taking it off, I'm gonna pull this one back off for you.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do now is, before I take this one out, let's go over to the motor that I had took out from this earlier on Thursday.
Okay.
And let's check that sensor out. Okay. So what we're doing now, this the motor that I took out. And here go the sensors. So I'm gonna use the old sensor to put back on it, but we're gonna test this sensor real quick. I'm gonna put the negative on my left side and the positive on my right side.
Oh wow, that
See where the number come up?
Yeah, man.
So that sensor that's good, and we're gonna check the other sensor.
Oh man, beautiful.
So they both at the same number. So we're gonna use that sensor there. Then what we're gonna do, back up. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this sensor off and put it in the car. We're gonna erase the code and we'll come right back as soon as I get all this straightened out.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, so we back at this. Oh, we gotta do the video up. Back up. Top. So now we back. I got everything ready to start taking this sensor out. So what we're gonna do, I already done took the bolt out. I mean, y'all already know how to take the bolt out. So what I'm gonna do now is take my hand and put on it and try to wiggle it, see if I can get it to come off. So it's since it ain't trying to come off, what I'm gonna do is get my screwdriver and just try to loosen it up a little bit. See if I can get it to move. So I got it to move a little bit just by turning. And what I'm gonna do now, as I'm trying to move it, I'm gonna pull up on it back and forth. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to come out, which is a good thing. And it could be a bad thing if it breaks. So we ain't gonna do nothing else, just keep working it back and forth until she loosens. Yeah. So now, since you wanna act a fool, I'm gonna get me some pliers.
Here we go.
Alright, so now I got that. Go ahead and get me some pliers and reach down here, and I'm gonna grab it at the base. And what I'm doing, I'm just gonna try to wiggle it and pull up. Still ain't trying to come, so I'm gonna have to get down and dirty like she wanna be. And she come out. Yeah, she does not wanna move me. Better try to work this joker. I mean, since the stuff's already bad, I'm just going to get this and try to pry it up a little bit as I'm moving it. So, here we go.
Oh, look at that. Oh, man.
So, here we go again. This is the old sensor that I took out. So, what I'm going to do, so I can keep this motor, I'm going to take this sensor here out, and I'm going to put this old one back down into the, so I can reuse that one for the motor. So let me take this bolt out real quick. That bolt's kind of small. So I had to go get a little 8. We're gonna put on here and take this little bolt out. Some sockets, some bolts are 10, some are 8. This one here that I took the old motor out, that's an 8. So I take that bolt, I'm just gonna leave it right here since it's already apart. And what I'm gonna do now is try to wiggle this back and forth. Go ahead and break it free from the seal. Then we're just gonna try to do the same thing and see if I can pull this up. Without doing too much pry. So if you have to pry it, just be careful. Just take it and grab it and wiggle it and put a little pressure on it back and forth. Let's see.
There it is.
Popped up. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna get my rag. I'm gonna catch a little bit of oil. We're gonna clean this up real quick. So this is the one that's working.
Yeah. I got him.
So what I'm gonna do now is clean this up real good. Get my fingerprints off of it.
Yeah.
Shine that baby up a little bit.
Nice. Nice.
So I'm gonna sit this over here real quick. So I know I got the old one and the good one out the way. So what I'm gonna do now is just, and you gotta do all that. Let's go. See how it's dirt? So I'm just gonna take the rag real quick while I got it off for the first time and just wipe it before I put the other one back in. I'm gonna take the screwdriver, put it in the rag, and just go around the edges.
What is that, oil?
Yeah, that's just oil since I just put it up. Leak, but it was leaking a little bit. That's how you could tell the dirt. When you get dirty dirt like that, you got a leak around the seal.
Good.
people just take them and push them in and put them back in. So what I'm gonna do, get the bolt, put this back in here. Well, put it upside down. Don't be like me, think about it first. So I put the bolt in there and I'm just gonna push down on it. And then don't push it all the way down, just take the bolt, line it up. Now you can push it on down. So I'm just gonna tighten it up for now, so we go ahead and close it up. Here we back again to put this sensor in. So what I'm gonna do, just the sensor that I'm gonna put in. We already gonna test it. We know it's good. So before I put it back down in here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Prometech high-tech gasket sealant. And what I like about this, see the stuff on the outside? See how sticky it is? It's still sticky, but it's still loose. So watch how sticky this stuff is. And when you use this, the best way I like to use this, I take this rag, put it in my hand, right? Or find a perfect spot so it don't waste, because you don't want this stuff to waste. And if it do waste, wipe it off real quick. Don't let it sit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, and you see how the strings coming off of it? That's the sticky part I love, because it get everywhere. So what I do, I just take it, make sure that's breaking off, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit around the seal. You can put a lot, but don't get it too far down, which I don't think it'll hurt, but you know, just put it around the seal so it'll help lock it and help reseal it. You see how sticky that is? That's that googie stuff. Y'all know that googie stuff. Make sure you close that off, sit that out of the way, because I ended up wasting that stuff in. Once it hit the cement, man, got in the toolbox, all my stuff was hard. So now that I got it all cleaned up, let's get this off of here. We're just gonna push it back down in here. Let me grab my light. So here go my light. Oh shit, hold it. You see right next to it, something there. So I'm gonna grab my needle nose and grab this little black piece real quick.
I'm trying to find your foot.
Make sure.
It's over here somewhere. I know.
That must have came out of the little hole right there. So we're not gonna put it back in. Since I got enough, that's gonna seal it. But before I do that, let me wipe this off real quick, like I did the other one. Getting dirt around the edges. And try to clean the grease off the side that fell down on there. I know I'm in the way, but sometimes you gotta do a good job first and let the camera see your work later. So you gotta give the motor a good hygiene. Now you see how it clean out there? So when it's sealed, it'll seal a little. And if you want to, just put the screwdriver inside a little bit, and with the rag, just go inside where it's gonna sit at. And all we do now is take the sensor, push it back down in there. Take your time.
Nice.
Push it on down. Take this screw, put it in there, and you can let it drop. Just take the socket off and then put it right on the top. Turn left with it first and then turn right. That way you know it's going back down in there straight. And if you can keep turning it, then you know that you got it. Because you don't want to cross thread these. And the torque, it ain't no really specific torque. because you don't need a lot of torque, just enough to snug. And then just check the others one. Yes. See how it turned? So now that we got that, the only thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna test our thing again on this one. So we're gonna put the meter back up. And we're gonna test this again. You ready?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put left on the right and red on the left.
Wow. Wow.
So now all we're gonna do now is take this and put everything back on real quick. Clamp that down, push that down. I'm gonna put the breezer back on real quick. Hey, we back at it again. So now I got my scanner. We're gonna go back and start the car. We're gonna put the connector back onto the main part. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the car on and see if we get a read. So what I'm gonna do now, if you look over here again, the light is still on. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna erase it. Just hold it. You hold the button down here and it should erase. I guess my scanner act like it don't want to work. Yeah. I don't know, y'all might hit my truck then. If I hit it, that's y'all ass. Erase. It did everything for me. So let's go to link. Let's see if I can get into the joker another way. Let me crank it up and see what's going on. Yeah, the light's still on, so I'm gonna try to get it erased. I gotta get it erased. If we don't get it erased like this, I'm gonna go and show you another way to do it. Just no, my button messed up. Time for a new one. Alright, what I'm gonna do is unplug this. What I'm gonna do is turn the car off. Let's go back out here with the battery. Ready?
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do, since my meter didn't want to shut it off, what I'm gonna do now is just gonna disconnect the battery for about 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
See if we can take the code off that way. So just move it out the way. I'm just gonna set this right there for right now so it don't touch the metal. I'm gonna pause that for a second. Okay, now that we back, I done took this off for about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna put it back on. We're gonna lock it back down. Put the negative back on. And it should turn. Should erase that code. It did it before, so just test it, like wiggle it, make sure it ain't moving. So we got that. So we can go back in the inside. I'm gonna crank the car up. So if you look over here in the corner where the batteries and stuff at, wow, so erase the code. So I went over here and put the right amount of air in it, but the sensor's still on for some reason. So I'm not gonna worry about that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna close the hood, and we're gonna take it down the road and test drive it and see if that light comes back on. We're gonna put it in reverse, go down the road, just like last time. put it on YouTube. So
This your first time, Tony?
yeah, so I'm glad everything worked out right to be on YouTube.
Oh man, you good with me, man. Hey, man, you are. Hey, dog. We're gonna have to do work together all the time. What's your company name again, Tony?
Marquis Industries LLC, specialize in pressure washing, landscape, towing and hauling, and audio installation. My hobby is mechanic.
The light still on. Never came back on.
Yeah.
Wow.
If I was a drinking dude, I would get me a 12 pack right about now.
12 fight, baby. You deserve it, man.
Cause I tried to get up at 60 last time and shit.
Oh, man.
Yeah, they were out there.
Listen to that.
Oh wow, that sensor really worked because I couldn't even get up to 60 that good.
Wow, I'm telling you, man.
60 and over, so
No light on.
no light on.
No light. Hey,
We can go.
where that 12 pack at, man?
Right, she go to Daytona.
Oh, man.
Take this joke to the temple.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, that's a blessing.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. Another monster grant.
Monster Grant. Antonio Harmon.
Yes.
How y'all doing today? My name is Antonio Harmon. I'm here with Monster Grant. He